Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about a monthly stock market update, and we will see what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to VBull. And if you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup, training, and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, white line it's MA200, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, red line, yellow line MA20, green line MA5, and red line MA10. Red dots, it's a bearish reversal signal, green dots, bullish reversal signal. That's all. MACD indicator, green line, red line, signal line, RSI, same setup. Awesome oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. Very simple. It's not easy because of the emotions involved, but use indicators. Indicators do not have emotions and you will be successful. And remember, we follow the trend. If market change direction, we have to change direction also. Let's start weekly time frame for USA dollar. USA dollar weekly time frame. Let me remind you, I don't trade on a weekly or monthly or quarterly time frame. For my swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame entry and exit position, but I just monitor weekly, monthly, quarterly time frame of the market trend direction. Let's start weekly time frame. It's getting bullish, right? Awesome oscillator, green bullish, RSI ready for bullish crossover, MACD ready, didn't confirm yet. MA5 still below 10. It's a USA dollar on weekly time frame. Still in a bearish territory, still in a bearish position. Only one indicator turned green. Still kind of negative, but it's changing direction. Just recently, last week, it did nice move. We'll see if it continued to move up and switch to bullish reversal signal. So far, it's bearish with bullish divergences on weekly time frame. Let's move to monthly. Monthly USA dollar is bearish, right? It's bearish. It was very on the top. It was very far from 20. Was disconnected from 20. Now it's finally connected back to 20 on monthly time frame for last 4 months, and we'll see, will it bounce from 20 and will continue to go up, or it will continue to go down. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, all indicators bearish on monthly time frame for USA dollar. Quarterly time frame, USA dollar still bullish, MA5 still about 10 and 20. You see this huge 2 bars were very disconnected from 20, very far from 20. They're still far, but they're getting back to 20. At least last month, this quarter, it did touch MA10. At least it's connected back to MA10. Now it's connected back to MA10. We'll see, will it continue to sell off and connect it back to 20, or it will bounce from 10. So far, it is bullish on MACD. On all indicators, it is bullish on quarterly time frame. And yeah, that's better. That's bearish on quarterly time frame for indexes. That's what we have with US dollar. Let's move to Qs. Qs weekly time frame. Bullish trend. The all moving average is about 200. It is bullish trend, bullish territory, bullish signal, bullish on all indicators. Nice bullish trend. Let's move to monthly. Monthly, it is bullish also. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Bullish trend, last bar about 20. It is positive bullish position. And remember my style, when one bars above MA5, 10 and 20, it is bullish trend. When bars below MA20 and 5, it is bearish trend. Now it's a bullish trend. MACD ready for bullish crossover, RSI ready, but didn't confirm yet. Only like 2-3 indicators bullish, 2 indicators still bearish on monthly time frame. Quarterly time frame for Qs, still bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover, MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, all bearish on quarterly time frame. Previous quarter, previous 2 quarters, it did touch MA20, and it did bounce from MA20. MA20 was strong support, it did bounce from MA20. This quarter it's already touched MA10. We'll see, will it be rejected from MA10? Because MA10 now is resistant. It is resistant, it can be rejected from MA10. Still bearish trend on quarterly time frame. For Qs, let's move to S&P, SPX. SPX, S&P 500. Let's start quarterly. Quarterly, it is bearish crossover, MA5 did bearish crossover, bearish trend, bearish reversal signal. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, Fibonacci bearish, Fibonacci, Awesome Oscillator bearish. All indicators bearish on quarterly time frame. On monthly time frame, it is mixed mode, right? MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It's a bullish crossover. Last 2 months, it did touched MA20, and it's kind of, so far it's below MA20. It didn't make bullish crossover yet. Will it continue to go? Will it be rejected from MA20? It's a question, right? Or it will do breakout and it will go to positive territory, because like I mentioned before, when bars above MA20 it is bullish, when bars below MA20 it is bearish. So far it's in the bearish territory. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, Awesome Oscillator bullish. 2 indicators bullish, MA5 bullish, bullish crossover, and Awesome Oscillator bullish. Still in the question mode, in the mixed mode. And yeah, like I said, quarterly it is bearish, monthly it is in a mixed mode, and weekly it is bullish. Weekly it is bullish, right? It's bullish on all indicators. Let me move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones quarterly. Same story. Let me do this one. Quarterly. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, bearish trend. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, Awesome Oscillator bearish. All indicators in the bearish trend direction in quarterly time frame. Yeah, 3 quarters ago, like 2 quarters it did touch in 2 quarters to MA20, and it was rejected. It did bounce from MA20. Now it's sitting for last 2 quarters at the MA10. Will it continue to sit at the MA10, or it will bounce from it, or it will go down? We'll see. So far it's still bearish, even bars above all moving averages, but signal is bearish. Monthly time frame, it's a mixed mode also, MA5 above 10, and last bar above all moving averages. It is bullish reversal signal. 2 indicators bullish already. Yeah, 2 indicators bullish, 3 indicators bearish. Mixed mode on monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, it is fully bullish except Awesome Oscillator bullish signal. Actually last week it was red bar, and like MACD ready for bearish crossover, Fibonacci ready for bearish crossover, and Awesome Oscillator already changed color to red. Dow is kind of weak, it wants to have some correction. On weekly, let's move to IWM. Russell 2000, the weakest index compared to Dow, SPX, and Qs. And remember, Russell 2000 is 2000 companies. weekly time frame, it is bearish. Even MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Bearish signal on all indicators, weekly time frame, monthly time frame for IWM. I'm sorry, let's go back to weekly. It is bearish signal and also territory is bearish. Look at it. MA5, 10, all moving averages except 100 below 200, below white line. Below white line now yellow line, blue line, 10, red and green. It is bearish territory. Very bearish territory. Monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, same story, like bars about yellow line, it is bullish. Bars below moving averages, it is bearish. Now it's a bearish territory, bearish trend, bearish position, and bearish trend on monthly time frame. Quarterly, it is also bearish, right? Quarterly, it's also bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover, also over 10, bearish trend. But bars, you see, for last 5 months, the all bars, they're dancing around 20. Looks like 20 is very strong support. Will it bounce from 820? It's possible, but it's hard to believe because look at that green line just did bearish crossover over 20. It means it wants to go even lower. It wants to go even lower. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, all bearish trend. All bearish trend on quarterly time frame. Let's move to Apple. Apple is there because of the splits. It doesn't show nice pictures. Sorry, I cannot show you anything on the Apple because of the split. I don't like it. But Apple, yeah, Apple generally is bullish. Apple very positive, very bullish, like Qs. It's a bullish on weekly, on monthly, on quarterly. Apple is bullish. Tesla is different. Tesla is weak. It's quarterly on the week on the bearish trend, monthly in the bearish trend, and weekly in bearish trend. Tesla in the bearish signal. Alibaba Group weekly it's also weak. In the weekly time frame, it's a bearish territory below 200. It is a bearish trend, bearish signal. On monthly time frame, Alibaba Group also in bearish territory. All moving averages below. Yeah, now it's a bars below 20. It's a bearish, but signal it's kind of positive. Signal MA5 did bullish crossover. It's a positive, but last bar moved below all moving averages. It is negative territory, but signal is positive for BABA. Quarterly time frame. Quarterly time frame, it's not a lot of data, but it's still bearish on quarterly time frame. Let's move Nvidia. Nvidia quarterly, it is bearish on all indicators quarterly. It was huge quarter, huge drop. I think it's also, yeah, it was split. It was this bar was split. It's not a huge drop. It was a split. Okay, monthly Nvidia bullish on all indicators. Weekly Nvidia bullish on all indicators also. Nvidia very positive, very bullish. Same like the large companies, large corporations, they're bullish, like that's why they're pushing Qs up. Let's do summary. Qs on monthly time frame, yeah, monthly, weekly Qs very strong, very bullish, except quarterly. Quarterly it's still bearish. On monthly actually it's a, yeah, it's a bullish monthly. Quarterly it's bearish. Same for S&P 500. Weekly and monthly it is bullish and quarterly it's bearish. Same for Dow Jones. Weekly and monthly, actually monthly, yeah, monthly it's bearish. Weekly is bullish for Dow Jones. Weekly still bullish. On monthly and quarterly it is bearish for Dow Jones. And IWM Russell 2000, it's a half of the USA economy. It is bearish on all time frames. Weekly, monthly and quarterly Russell 2000 bearish. That's what we observed on the monthly time frame review. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please daily, weekly and monthly updates I do publish. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.